A major infrastructure project is ready to reshape trade and connectivity in South Asia. The Kaladan Multi-Modal Transit Transport Project. Here's what you need to know. I'm Gunjan Handa and let me take you through this. The Kaladan project is a significant initiative led by India aiming to connect the bustling port city of Kolkata with the remote northeastern state of Mizoram, but with a twist. Instead of relying on the conventional land route through the narrow Siliguri corridor, the project charts a new path through Myanmar using a combination of sea, river and road transport. Here's how it works. Goods will travel by sea from Kolkata to Sitwe, a port in Myanmar's Rakhine district. From Sitwe, cargo will be loaded onto river vessels and transported up the Kaladan River to Palitwe. The final leg involves a road journey from Palitwa to the India-Myanmar border in Zorinpui, in Mizoram. This innovative route cuts the distance from Kolkata to Mizoram by almost half compared to the traditional land route. The project is not just about shortening distances, it is a strategic move to boost economic development in India's landlocked northeast, making it easier for businesses there to access international market. By linking Mizoram and other northeastern states to the Bay of Bengal, the Kaladan project could open up new trade opportunities with Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Malaysia and even Singapore. But the journey has not been smooth. The Kaladan project was first conceived in the 1990s and formally agreed upon by India and Myanmar in 2008. The original deadline for completion was 2014, but a series of challenges have caused repeated delays. Among the biggest hurdles are security concerns. Myanmar's Rakhine and Chin states, where much of the project is located, have seen ongoing civil unrest and armed conflict. The recent capture of Palitwa by the Arakan army has further complicated construction efforts. Logistical challenges, difficult terrain, and the impact of COVID-19 pandemic have also contributed to slow progress and rising costs. Despite these setbacks, significant parts of the project are already operational. The upgraded Sitwe port can now handle large cargo ships and the river route from Sitwe to Palitwa is complete. However, the road segment from Palitwa to Zorinpui remains under construction with the latest deadline set for July 2025. India has held confidential meetings with Arakan Army to discuss border security, trade and cooperation. So besides just making trade and travel easier, the Kaladan project is also a key part of India's plan to create better connections to its northeastern states without relying on tricky Siliguri border. It's also about building stronger economic and people-to-people links with Myanmar. The stakes are high. For India, the Kaladan project is a cornerstone of its Act East policy, aimed at strengthening ties with Southeast Asia and reducing dependence on the vulnerable Siliguri corridor. For Myanmar, the project promises economic benefits and improved regional connectivity. In summary, the Kaladan Multi-Modal Transit Transport Project represents a bold attempt to transform trade and transport in the region. While progress has been slow and challenges remain, the potential rewards for both India and Myanmar are considerable. We will continue to bring more on this. I am Gunjan Handa and this is the Asian Chronicle.